Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be making simple deco pieces using these foam boards, and I'm going to cut out the parts that I've marked. The cutouts will be used later on, so keep them aside. I start by joining these cutouts from the biggest to the smallest as I'm showing you in this video using a glue gun. I then glue these extra pieces to make it more firm as I attach the second board of each size. So if you're new to this channel, karibu sana. Here I share how to decorate our homes on a budget. So if that's your type of content, please don't forget to subscribe. And to my lovely returning subscribers, thank you so much for sticking with me. May the good Lord bless you abundantly. This is how it's supposed to look. I then glue these stones all around the sides of this deco piece and make sure I seal the joints of the stones with the glue. For the pieces I kept aside, I repeat the same process as the first one. Once done, I use this foaming glue that hardens when it dries to add texture to the deco. To make the base of the deco, I joined this cardboard to make a mold. Then I glued this nail that will be the stand for my deco. I then made a cement and water mixture which I poured into the molds and let them dry for 24 hours. Once dried, I used the sandpaper to smoothen the rough surfaces. I then forced the nail through this side of the deco and used a strong adhesive to secure it. I then went ahead and painted it black, then spray painted the base gold. I used the gold leaf on the sides for some glam and rubbed some of it on the textured surfaces. Then I used a clear varnish to seal everything up, and this is how it turned out. I love the outcome, so I went ahead and did a white one. Please let me know in the comment section below which one you love the most. If you love this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't. And until my next video, stay blessed.